Do you feel like health is a mountain? You want to climb it, but procrastination, overwhelm, and I'll start tomorrow keep you at the base camp, right? So you know you're not lazy. So what is it? You may be surprised about what I'm going to say next, but I've got the research that backs this up. Your digestion is out of balance. So many of us have normalized like daily trouble with our tummies, like bloating and sluggish digestion and just that off feeling, and we've normalized it. But Ayurveda says that your gut isn't just a food pipe, it's a second brain. And when that gut is offbeat, your hormones, your mood, and your motivation wobble. And I've supported clients from across 6 continents and 27 countries. I've studied both functional nutrition and the Ayurvedic approach, which we're going to explore more today in this masterclass. But all of these, they help you to reclaim your vitality, not through quick fixes, pressure, but by creating simple practices that support your digestion and calm your mind to restore your energy. And by the end of this session, we'll see that climbing that health mountain isn't about force. It's about finding your rhythm one step at a time. So I was looking at some interesting research on the gut before, and we know that your gut isn't just where food gets digested. Is where your whole body is talking to itself. Inside your belly lives an entire ecosystem called the microbiome. We have trillions of bacteria that help to regulate your mood, your hormones, your immune system, metabolism, and even inflammation in the body. So this means that your energy levels, your mental clarity, sleep, stress, these responses are all deeply connected to your gut health. And what's fascinating is that both modern science and is now confirming what Ayurveda has taught thousands of years ago. When Agni is low, imbalances spread. So all disease originate from this impaired Agni, your digestive fire. And when your eating habits, specifically what, when, and how you eat, significantly influence your gut flora and overall health. With factors like seasonal changes, your individual constitution, your dosha, and stress levels acting as powerful modulators. And if dosha sounds like a foreign word, and what I've just read to you, the Sanskrit, is foreign to you, don't worry about it. Allow yourself to just be a bowl and absorb. Once you hear these a few times, these terms, they'll start to make sense a little bit more. But when we eat, we're not just taking in calories, we're taking right qualities for our body's constitution. I'm going to explain a little bit more about our individual constitutions in a minute. But your body, it thrives when your digestion is optimal, when nourishment and presence are not just nutrients. And now science is catching up with this truth, which is exciting. And so what modern science says is if your gut lining is leaky, your gut bugs are out of balance and their waste sneaks into your bloodstream and your whole system feels it. That's when that mystery bundle shows up. Aching joints, brain fog, bloating, stubborn weight, thyroid wobbles, blood sugar swings, hot flushes that stay over their welcome. And Western medicine now recognizes this trio, leaky gut, dysbiosis, and endotoxins, as the real drivers of immune, autoimmune, and metabolic issues.